Hey folks, what's the story? So in this video I am going to clear out this whole bushy area here, not the trees, not the big ones at least, um, but as you can see there's like loads of grass, very big thick bushes of grass, some saplings shooting up from the older trees there, and my main goal with this is to have a bit of a better view of the river, which you can't really see through this thick bush, hence me wanting to cut it. I can show you guys here behind me a part which I've already cleared. This was more or less the same, and you couldn't see the river there as well. So this part actually, I did this whole thing with a very small little bush electric trimmer, and then later on I got a bigger one and finished off the job nicely. But as you can see, the river is very clear to see, thanks to the bushes being cleared. It was exactly the same as on this side, like, you know, you really have to go in deep to basically see anything. But yeah, I'll give you guys a bit of a better angle when I start doing the job, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
So my first step was what made most sense to me was to get all of this long grasses and weeds trimmed down. That will give me better access to the trees to see what I can do with the water shoots and basically the saplings or new small shoots. And also get an idea of the lay of the land. So I got myself caught out a couple of times by old wires lying on the ground. So I decided to stop and do a bit of a survey and see if I can first clear out all of these wires before I get myself caught up again. So I did that, and when I went back to the job, immediately got myself caught out again. But anyways, that's how it goes sometimes. So I continued to finish up the strimming part of this project. Then I moved over to picking up a bunch of big sticks, old sticks that were lying on the ground. Then I move over to cutting the saplings and the water shoots, pruning the lower ends of the trees, and then I move over to do the finishing touches with a push lawnmower. Stay tuned.
Cheers, guys. This is the result. I actually ended up doing this over the course of 3 days. I just, not that it took that many hours, wasn't going non-stop, but just got caught out with some things, unforeseen things, like one day was rain, other day I just had lots of other stuff that was urgent. Anyways, got the job done in the end, and I am very, very pleased with it. Let me know if you enjoyed it. I hope you did. Cheers, guys.